This is how to fix the iPod Touch home button.
Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my tool. I'm going to fix the iPod right there.
You ready, man?
Yeah.
Here you go, bro.
Tyler, this is my main weapon of choice.
iPod Touch, 16 gig, home button broken, and that's about it. What do you got here?
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to fix this piece of shit. Aaron, I don't like Britney Spears, and
Gator suck.
Alright guys, where is it?
Oh, that's fine. We're good, dude.
Is it on safety though? Nope, sure isn't.
No, it surely isn't, guys. And I think I blew shit out of it.
Holy shit, man! Why you do me? I don't want to go to jail again.
Hey.
Oh, shit!
You think it's working?
Run!
That's nothing fixing my iPod Touch.